I'm gonna show you my 2012 AFL Dream Team. I'm gonna show you who I got half back, like the backman. Got the lady right there. Adcock. This is cheap. Chris Yaron. Hopefully he's not a hog this year. I got Shannon Hearn. Lindsay Gilby, I think that's his name. Harry O'Brien. Nick Maxwell is my vice captain. For the midfielders, I'll just show you. I got Joe Botson, captain. Really cheap, and he was gonna do good this year. I got Luke Hodge. I got Brett Sewell. I got Jared McVeigh, Wellingham, Mitch Duncan. And I want to show you something for my emergencies. Daniel Shields, this guy right here. Alright, Great Western Sydney picked him up when he was 16 years old, so I reckon he'll do good this year. And I got Brett Lee, which is kind of shit. For my ruck, I've got Cox, get him. Nathan Vardy, get him. I got Dor, but I'm gonna take him off since he got suspended. I got Kerno, my forward. And I got Lance Franklin. 503,000. That's pretty cheap for him. I got Jack Revolt, the Richmond player. I got Aaron Edwards. I got Taylor Walker. I got Jack King, Matthew Bay, and Ahmed Saad, the Egyptian. For my emergencies, I got Taylor Adams, and I got Isabel Folau, $115,000. That's my dream team. Like this video, comment, and subscribe.